Hey, good morning. Welcome back to the kitchen. It's breakfast time and I've got a hungry crew. I'm making something really simple this morning, but the family likes it. It's easy to make, easy ingredients, and guys, it's either low carb or keto. So that really helps a lot whenever you're trying to get back in the habit of eating healthier. Today, we are making a sausage and bacon muffin. Yeah, you heard me right. Not a chocolate chip, not a blueberry, but sausage and bacon, and it's really good. I'm starting with 3 slices of thick cut bacon. I'm just cutting them into small pieces. I have a pan that is preheating over here. I'm going to put the bacon in there and let it saute for a couple of minutes before I put the sausage in. I like my bacon a little crisp, and if you start it beforehand, then it gets a little crisper than if you just do it in with the sausage. We'll let that go for a couple of minutes, and then we will get the sausage in there. Okay, I've got some colors on the bacon, so that way we have a few crispier pieces in the muffins. I've got just a pound sausage, whatever your favorite sausage is. Doesn't matter, it can be homemade sausage, any type of a store-bought sausage. Put it in there, get all the little bits out. And I'm just going to break this into smaller pieces, chop it up with my spatula, and let this cook. Our meats are cooking up nicely. We are getting really close to everything being done. So while this finishes up, we'll get the rest of the prep work done. In a large bowl, and 3 cups of shredded cheese. This is a Fiesta blend. You could use just plain cheddar or a taco blend, whatever your flavor is. This is 5 eggs that I've beaten up. Okay, I'm going to mix up the cheese with the egg. Okay. Then this is 1 cup of carbquick. And if you're not interested in the keto version, folks, you can use bisquick. It works just the same, it's just as good, but for those of us who need to be on low carb or keto, carbquick is the trick. If you like, you can add salt and pepper to taste. We like pepper, so probably about a teaspoon or so of pepper for me. And just a very light sprinkle of salt. Okay, I'm going to mix all this together. That way everything is going to be ready when the meat is ready. Something else I'm going to do in the prep work is I'm going to prepare my pan. Okay? You can use a standard muffin pan, which has 12 big muffins. Okay? I've got a smaller pan right here, so it's going to be 24 of the smaller mini muffins. I'm just going to spray that with a non-stick cooking spray. We definitely want them to come out easy. And I have my oven preheating to 350 degrees. Another couple of minutes, and this is going to be ready. Okay, we have everything mixed up. We have our sausage and bacon cooked and all the grease taken off. So we're going to put this over into our bowl. Stir everything together till it's well mixed. Guys, I wish this had smell to it. This smells so good. Okay, we're mixed really well here. And I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons of the mixture in here. Bring it up to the top of the muffin tin. And I'm going to continue filling these. And we're getting ready for breakfast. Alright, we have everything prepped and in the pan. And as I said, I made 24 mini muffins. We're going to put them in the oven and bake them for about 12 to 20 minutes. I know that's a big variance, but everyone's oven bakes a little differently, so be sure you watch it. Mine will take about 15 minutes. Let's put them in. And we wait. Stand back so my glasses don't fog up when I take these out of the oven. Don't those look amazing? And let me tell you, they taste better than they look. As you can tell, it bounces back, so it's good and done. You get this little one out, just because it'll be easier. Nice and crispy. Now, how does that look, folks? I think it looks like an absolutely wonderful breakfast in the making. So, there you go. A low-carb, keto, sausage, bacon muffin. Who says you can't eat muffins whenever you're eating keto? They haven't tried this yet. You guys have a great day. Thanks for watching. And as always, we'll see you on the next video. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and don't forget that notification bell.